Why not get Spotacular this Children in Needs Day by creating your very own Spotty t-shirt? And you only need a few simple things to create this Spotty t-shirt. You will need paint, a plain t-shirt, a piece of cardboard and some bottles. Start by placing the cardboard inside the t-shirt. This will help to stop paint going through to the other side. Now let the fun begin. Simply take your bottle top and dip it into the paint. Once you've done this, you then can print it onto the t-shirt. This will then create the spots for your Spotacular t-shirt.